Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into a tricky problem that many MacBook Pro users may face at some point. We have a user who has been struggling with an early 2011 MacBook Pro that was causing them quite a headache. After trying various solutions, they finally managed to install macOS Sierra on a KingSpec 4TB SATA SSD, but ran into a major roadblock when trying to boot from the drive internally. The drive worked fine when connected via USB, but once mounted internally, it just wouldn't boot up. Let's see how they managed to tackle this problem. In the solution provided, it was revealed that the KingSpec 4TB SATA SSD was not compatible with the MacBook Pro model. Even after replacing the SATA cable, the issue persisted. The user found success by switching to a 2TB Crucial BX 502.5-inch SSD, which works seamlessly with their MacBook Pro. Sometimes, the key to overcoming a problem like this lies in finding the right hardware that is fully compatible with your specific model. To wrap things up, it's essential to ensure that the hardware you choose is fully compatible with your device to avoid any compatibility issues down the line. By opting for the recommended 2TB Crucial BX 502.5-inch SSD, the user was able to overcome the booting issue and enjoy a smooth installation and migration process. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember to double-check the compatibility of your hardware before making any significant changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a computer problem shared is a computer problem solved.